Every culture has a comfort food. Japan has ramen. Vietnam has pho. And the Philippines? We have tinola. But this simple chicken soup isn't just a home remedy for rainy days. It's a dish so deeply rooted in Filipino history that it was mentioned in one of the country's most important novels over a century ago. So where did tinola come from? And why has it remained a Filipino favorite for generations?
At first glance, tinola seems simple. Chicken, ginger, garlic, onions, green papaya, and leafy greens simmered in a clear broth. But simplicity is exactly what makes tinola special. Unlike dishes shaped by colonial influence, tinola highlights ingredients native to the Philippine landscape. Fresh, local, and seasonal. The word tinola comes from the Tagalog root word tola, meaning a broth-based dish. Long before Spanish colonization, early Filipinos cooked with ingredients they could gather from their surroundings. Ginger wasn't just used for flavor, it was valued for its medicinal properties. Soups like tinola provided nourishment, warmth, and comfort. In a tropical archipelago rich in herbs and produce, dishes like tinola naturally evolved. Tinola became immortalized in 1887 through Jose Rizal's novel Noli Me Tangere. In one memorable scene, Crisostomo Ibarra is served tinola during a dinner hosted by Captain Tiago. The event wasn't just about food. It revealed social status, power, and colonial hierarchy. Through a simple bowl of soup, Rizal exposed the complexities of Filipino society. Empires changed, tastes evolved, yet tinola endured. Why? Because it's adaptable. Different regions use different greens. Some add green papaya, others prefer chayote. But the soul of the dish remains the same. Warm broth, fresh ingredients, and the unmistakable aroma of ginger. Tinola isn't just chicken soup. It's a story of Filipino resourcefulness, tradition, and care. A dish passed down through generations. One that continues to bring comfort, no matter where Filipinos are in the world. And perhaps that's why tinola has survived for centuries. Because sometimes the simplest dishes tell the richest stories.